Lean transformation. Wow, what a topic. So my first involvement in Lean was in the late 1980s at United Technologies. And at that time, the predominant model was what we call serial Kaizen. Do a Kaizen, do another Kaizen, do another Kaizen, and if people aren't getting it and it's not sticking, do another Kaizen again. Well, largely, I think a lot of us have found that that system simply does not work. Every time I do a public workshop, I talk about the reality of those early Kaizens we did and how I'd come back 3 months later and see that things were starting to degenerate over time. And then I asked the team, I asked the class, so how many of you had a similar experience? And in every single class, at this point there have been hundreds of them, and therefore thousands of people, the hands all go flying up that everybody has had the same exact experience. It was this experience that originally inspired me to do this work in developing a lean management system. Not just to sustain, although that was certainly the first order of business for us. How could we sustain those substantial improvements that we're seeing from the lean Kaizen events? But beyond sustaining, lean is much more than that. Lean is not just sustaining an improvement coming out of a standard work exercise. Lean is about turning that work over to the people that do the work and then having them ask each and every day, how did we do yesterday? Where is the waste? How can we do it a little bit better today? And capturing that genie in the bottle of continuous improvement, which is the promise of lean, is the reason that the lean management system exists. And developing a transformation model that develops into that type of culture and works, but is not prescriptive, but is adaptable and situational to your organizations, because everybody has different problems, is critical to the success of creating a lean management system. The vast majority of transformations, some may say fail, everybody says takes longer and costs more than originally anticipated. The vast majority can use some help in pulling together a plan on how to do this in a way that has consistently worked. So we've taken an approach in the book, come into the room and see what people are saying about it, join the conversation, because we certainly don't have it all yet, and your contributions are going to be vital to all of us learning how to do it better today than we did yesterday. Thank you.